Just going out on the bike, do a little POV, you know, get some good sweet shots. Right, let's take you on a local ride near my house in Kwinana. So I'm just chipping down this road towards Kwinana Beach, which is like the industrial area of Kwinana. Pretty much deals with all of industry, as you can tell. But yeah, it's just about a 5-minute ride, 10-minute ride to get there on a bike, so it's not too bad. I should actually be starting on this company coming up here on the left. Should be starting in there on Tuesday. Sorry, it's not that company, it's this one on the left. It deals with the gas. Yeah, because I'm delivering gas containers for them. Unfortunately, it's not exactly the job that I want to be doing, but I do need a job to start me off. But yeah, now just heading towards the beach now, Kwinana Beach, part of the industrial estate. Funnily enough, this company here on the other side of the road, Coogee, I applied for them as well, so we'll see. Maybe I'll be working for them at some point as well. Yeah, you got loads of industrial companies here. You've got the main gantry for Kwinana, or the whole of WA pretty much, the whole of Perth in there, which is like where they store all the fuel. So there's a lot of fuel tanker jobs around here. If we're lucky, we might see a fuel tanker go past, or I might have chopped it out. Yeah. Right, this is starting to come to the edge of the industrial area now, because you've got a bottle-o, which is where they sell all the alcohol, but it never seems to be open, this one. Bottle-o on the beach, on the side of the industrial estate. You can see why they wouldn't get any business. Yeah, that's it now. What's that? It's about 12 minutes into the ride, maybe 15 minutes at most. Already at the beach from my house, not bad at all. This road is now heading towards Rockingham. So see how long it takes me to get there. Probably another couple minutes. There you go. Not pushing too hard this ride, keeping it in zone 1 pretty much. Heart rate's mainly under 120. That's what I averaged. Yeah, I'm 10k in now. 10k, it's taken me about 20 minutes to get to Rockingham Central. Well, not Central, but just the town, the beach side really. Just have a little chill out here. Pick my favourite spot here that I normally sit at. Have a little bit of something to eat, and then yeah, I'll finish off the rest of the 20k around Rockingham and then just shoot home. Not much more to it really, just a nice little apple. Yeah, I brought this little apple with me for exactly this spot. Saves yourself bringing a gel, you know, nothing too serious. Still get your nutrition out of this. Don't need to constantly be pushing with the electrolyte. I did bring a bottle of electrolyte actually. See it in that cup holder there. Yeah, usual dog battles as you get. That's just the norm on the beach. As long as I ain't shitting everywhere, it's all fun, innit? It's all just a meme until that point. Yeah, sometimes you do see some whales and stuff in the old sea. That's what I remember coming in last week and someone was shouting saying they saw one, but I never really saw it. Yeah. that's it now. Thanks for watching, really. Little outro. Back from the ride now. Lovely little ride. Averaged 30 kilometres an hour, just under 30. Happy with that. A few little blasts, couple hills. Yeah, decent.